Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're opening up some mystery bags from Lethal Cosmetics. I have to confess something about these. I ordered them at the very beginning of December. It was sort of an impulse purchase. I thought I would make a fun video. I love mystery bags. I feel like I say that in every mystery bag, mystery box video, but it's true. I am the type of person, I love surprises and I love makeup. So I am just the perfect demographic. And I do have a decent amount of Lethal makeup. I would say a moderate amount. It's not like ColourPop or Huda Beauty where I basically have everything. So there's definitely room for me to get new products in my Lethal collection. This is a small mystery bag and a large mystery bag. I think they still have some small ones left on their website. The small is $25 and the large was $33. That's US dollars. December was a very, very crazy time for me, as it is for probably a lot of people. I did like twice as many videos as I usually do. Also, you know, I have my family that I was planning the holidays for. And on top of that, I ended up getting really sick towards the end of the month. So December was a crazy time for me. I just unearthed these from my Christmas closet. Don't know if you have a Christmas closet at your house, but I have a closet where I stashed all of the gifts, and somehow this box got put in there, and obviously it wasn't a Christmas gift for anybody, so then it never got wrapped and shipped. So now we're gonna open it. This is my Christmas gift to myself. Happy holidays. Like a month later. So I figured we would open them now because I just found them today. Obviously, I already have some makeup on. I filmed the video for the eyeshadow that I'm wearing today this morning. Actually, this makeup is holding up beautifully. I did all my mom stuff, all of the school stuff, all of the taking care of the dog stuff, all of the making meals for everybody and cleaning things. And now I just want to drink this pineapple White Claw, not sponsored, and open some mystery bags. I think that sounds like the perfect end to this day. So let's start with the little one. I really like these bags. These are cool. I haven't even peeked in these, so I have no clue. This is a true mystery. Let's see what we get. Okay, we have a Plush Lip Cream. I did a lip swatch video with these, so I know that I already have this. So I'm gonna save this and put it in my little giveaway box. But I got the shade Ethereal. It's a really cute little nudie shade. I'm going to put that in my giveaway box. I do really like those though. I remember giving them a good review, but I think that was close to a year ago. Alright, we have some powder products. I love their eyeshadows so much. This looks beautiful. I know I don't have this because I don't have a lot of their cheek products. Oh, it's a highlighter. We'll try that on for sure. This is the highlighter in the shade Chromosphere. That looks really pretty. It looks like a little peachy champagne. Love that. And we have 3 eyeshadows. Let's see if they're shades that I have. Inhabit, Echo, and I don't know what this one is. It doesn't have a sticker. Oh, mystery shade. What is that? What is mystery shade? Is that a new one that they made up for the mystery bag? That's the coolest thing ever. I love that. Okay, let's see. Do I have Inhabit? This one does not. Echo doesn't look familiar. Inhabit kind of does. If you log on to their website, you can keep track of what shadows you have. I think that's awesome. Yes, okay. Echo is a new shade for me. Perfect. I do have Inhabit, so I'll put that in my little giveaway pile as well. I should do an all indie brand giveaway. What's mystery shade? Is this a real shade that they have or is this made up? Why don't I know that? Oh, there's one more thing in here. And, okay, it's one of their gel liners. I also don't have a lot of these. Okay, so I also got a gel liner in this turquoise color, which I'm not a huge gel liner person, but you know what? I used to say that about lashes and I'm wearing fake lashes today, so people change. But these are really good as an eyeshadow base too. So that's probably what I'm more likely to use it for, but that's new. I only got 2 repeats. 1, 2, 3, Out of 6 products, 4 were completely new to me. Only 2 were repeats. That's pretty good. Let's try on this highlighter now because it looks super freaking pretty. So here's the highlighter. This is the highlighter that I got in the shade Chromosphere. Looks beautiful. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna like it. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see. Their cheek products are really nice. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I really like it. I really like it. Let's see. Super beautiful. Get out of town. Oh, their powders are so pretty. Okay, I definitely like the highlighter the best so far. Both the eyeshadows are nice. These are definitely shades that I will 100% wear. Kinda so-so on the liner, but not bad. Not bad at all. Ooh, maybe there'll be a blush in here. Okay, let's open up the large mystery bag now. Let's see what's in here. She's large and in charge. Stickers! I'm an adult. Okay, glow-in-the-dark stickers. I love this. I love an accessory. I love a sticker sheet. I love a celestial theme. This is 100% doing it for me. Oh, there's a palette in here. I know I have this one. This is the Berlin 89 palette. I already own this, so that will just go into the little giveaway pile too. Maybe I should just do that at the end of this video. Okay, we got another gel liner. This one is Treble. I definitely don't have this either. It's like a butter yellow. Nice buttery yellow. Again, not my most used type of product, but still something new for me. So I'll take it. Next up, oh, this is not something that I have at all. This is their Chimera liquid lipstick. I definitely don't have this in the shade Transient. So we'll try that on because I definitely don't have that. And we have some more powder products. Oh, their eyeshadows are so good. 2 more eyeshadows. Another Inhabit. I got 2 of the same eyeshadow. And then this is... Oh, is this another mystery shade? Are these really mystery shades? Are these made for the mystery bags? Because that's very cool if that's what's happening. It says mystery shade. I really hope that's what it is because I think that is such a cool idea. Okay, so only 2 repeats in that bag too. Sadly, one of them is the palette, but that's okay. Let's try this lipstick on. Kind of have some lip gloss on, but we'll just ignore that. This is the Chimera liquid lipstick in the shade Transient. Let's check it out. This color is lovely. That's pretty. I really like that shade. I'm so happy with all of the new products that I got. A couple of things. First of all, I do think this is kind of like bleeding a little bit on me. Just a little bit, but that's not usually a problem I have, so that's kind of weird. Let's do a White Claw test. Because I'm a classy lady, we'll do a White Claw test to see if this is transfer proof or not. Find out. Okay, still looks pretty good. Did get transferred just a teeny tiny bit onto my drink, but not too bad. Definitely passable. I'd wear this to like a cocktail hour. It feels not all the way dried down. Oh, you can see right there where the drink took it off. Maybe I didn't let it dry down enough. Maybe that's my bad. Sorry. This color is really beautiful though, and it feels pretty comfortable, so that's nice. Do you think these mystery shades are really mystery shades? There's no info at all on their site about what the deal is with these mystery shades. I don't know. So I truly don't know if they are just surprise, you don't know what shade you have, or if they're made up shades. I'll have to go and look back on their social media and see if they ever said anything about that, because I truly don't know. But, I mean, these shades are both really cute. This is like a dark reddish brick berry. And then we have a mid-tone lime green matte. They're both mattes. They're both cute. They feel familiar, but I don't know if they're truly new or not. I know I don't have this Echo shade, and I really like it. This little shimmery, bright corally red. By far my favorite thing is the highlighter. Yeah, this Chromosphere highlighter is by far my favorite thing. I think the lip color is really pretty. Oh, that's the highlighter. Holy smokes, that's so pretty. Alright, so this is the highlighter. This is the shade Echo. And then these are the two mystery shades. This is a really fun little lineup here. This is so pretty. The little bags are really cute. I really like this. These were definitely worth the money in my opinion. Even though I got a couple of repeat things, it is kind of a bummer that the palette's a repeat, but I'm just gonna give it to one of you. So let's go ahead and do that. Of course, anytime I do one of those things, I have to put a really tight lid on the comments because the scammers come out in full force. I never reach out to people in the comments for this thing. Never. I always email you. So go check the description box and yeah, I'll give some of this stuff to one of your beautiful faces. Why not? I know this was a little bit more casual, relaxed, less structured, maybe a little bit more chaotic than my typical videos, but I just thought it would be fun to have a little casual hangout, have a little adult beverage, check out some mystery bags, and you know, I think it really worked out well for everyone, especially if you go and check down in the description box for more details. You know what I mean. I would love to hear what you think about all the things I got in my mystery bags. Which products were your favorites? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And that's the story of how I'm ridiculous. If you've watched... What? Why not? It's Christmas for me, Christmas for you, or whatever holiday you celebrate. Maybe it's just a regular schmegular old Monday for you too, like it is for me. Either way, now it can be a regular schmegular Monday with presents. I'm going to this new doctor's office tomorrow that I've never been to, and they literally text me 10 times today. Like, appointment reminder, fill out this form. Appointment reminder, fill out this form. 10 texts in one day. That is 8 too many. 2 I can live with. More than 2 is like, pushing it. 10? Excessive. Excessive. I gotta tell ya, I have been wearing this makeup for so long. It looks so good. It still looks so, so good. It's that Nomad palette. The Love and Death Nomad palette. I have been wearing false lashes and eyeliner and all of this makeup, and I'm wearing a matte face product too. I'm wearing that NYX blur thing. I don't even know who I am. Am I having an identity crisis? Probably not. I think I'm fine. Ay. Let me swatch these things. I probably should have done that. If I don't, people will be like, you didn't know anything. Well, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. As previously mentioned, I am very new to the false lash game, so you definitely have to be very careful when you're cleaning false lashes, and I was not careful enough because I absolutely destroyed that pair of Glamnetic ones that I got, and those were like freaking 30 bucks, and I absolutely destroyed them. Like, I ripped one of them apart trying to clean it. I don't know why I'm such an actual savage animal, but live and learn. I'll be gentler next time. Wish that I had figured that out before I ripped a $30 lash in half, but it's fine. I think I wore it like 3 times, so still not amazing use value, but better than ripping it on the first day, I guess. Okay, that was super fun. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it wasn't too casual, but you know, doing these really information intensive videos, like lots of swatch comparisons, really in-depth like reviews and looking into the formulas and price per gram and that type of stuff, that's really useful, and I know that's really useful to viewers, and I like providing that info. I like knowing that info, so I like sharing it with you. But sometimes I just want to have a little bit more of a chill sesh with you too, you know? So I'm glad we can do both. Anyway, I cannot wait to go take these lashes off. Hopefully I do not destroy them this time. Although these are cheap ones, so who cares? Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for living this purple fantasy of a day with me, because I have purple eyeshadow. I got these little purple flowers. I have purple nail polish. I got my purple shirt on. I'm purpled up. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being a friend. Thanks for stopping by. And thanks for being so nice. So cool and so fun to hang out with. You're the best. And I love your face. And I will see you really soon. Okay?